my name is Ashley Bugert. I'm 25 years old and I'm from Dallas, Texas. I've been personal training for 6 years and teaching group fitness for 6 years. I got my degrees at the University of Arkansas, Woo Pig Sooie. I got a degree in kinesiology, which is my undergrad BSc degree, and then I also got a master's in exercise science. So not only do I have the experience, I also have the instruction and the education behind all that as well. I've worked with 18 to 22-year-olds for about 6 years now because I was the graduate assistant in charge of the group fitness and personal training program at the University of Arkansas. So a lot of my clients were young 18, 19-year-olds, freshmen, sophomores in college. I got to learn a lot about the way they think, what they want, the aesthetics, things like that. I learned what they were looking for in a trainer, that certain personality that you have to have. Finding that motivational factor within someone is very important as well. And as a trainer, what I think the young ones usually liked about my style was that I changed it up all the time. It was never boring. So the creativity behind it was really neat, I think, for a lot of them. I might teach Zumba, kickboxing, random things. I didn't have them get on the treadmill or the elliptical all the time because it's boring. It's just a repetitive thing. And I learned with this group that, if you can get them to kind of step out of their normal comfort zone and find something that they enjoy, maybe that isn't in the group environment when they're working out with several people, they tend to like that and they tend to adhere to that. So I was really good about taking them in the group fitness room where it was just one-on-one training. No one was watching them, and just really seeing kind of what came out of them, what part of their personality clicked with mine, and what were they good at, and then focusing on what they were good at and making them feel really confident about themselves. I think that was the main thing that sold me as a trainer with all these people, with all these 18 and 19, 20-year-olds. I did work a summer program for 16, 17, and 18-year-olds. They were called Upward Bound students, so the University of Arkansas did put this on for a summer, and I taught group fitness classes and personal training group fitness classes to these kids, and they loved it. I made them, like I said, step out of their comfort zone, turbo kick, Zumba, making them shake a little bit. I had a lot of Latino kids, and sometimes with that demographic, you see a lot of overweight and obesity. And although this program wasn't created for those obese children, these kids found happiness in working out, and they really connected with my personality because, like I said, I'm 25 years old, and I just, got out of college 6 months ago. I just finished my master's degree. So I just lived what they were going to go into. I could tell them personal stories about myself. I gained the freshman 12, not quite 15, my freshman year. And although I was an athlete in college, in high school, when I got to college, everything stops. So if you don't instill in these kids at a young age how important group fitness, how important fitness, how important personal training, nutrition, a healthy lifestyle really is, they're going to go to college, and even though I was an athlete in high school, I gained the weight. So you got to kind of set those things while they're young and instill in them while they're young, so then that way, whenever they get into college, they know what to do and they know what to expect. And I can actually tell them, my personal testimony, what got me into it was taking classes and seeing all around me that there was something I had in common with all these people in college. So I think that it's really important that we do this as they're younger, and I think this is a great opportunity that you guys are doing for these young people, and it's going to teach their families as well. They're a part of this. They're a part of how their kids grow up, and they're a part of how their kids go off to college and how they are successfully. Because a lot of it, how you are successfully, how you feel about yourself, is going to come out whenever you're in college. Do you go to class? Are you sleeping well? Are you a healthy individual? I think that all goes into it. So I do have the 6 years experience through school, as well as the training and the fitness teaching. I have worked with the 18 to 22-year-olds. I have worked with the high school, 16, 17, 18-year-olds. And, I also have worked with 70-sums. I teach a hip-hop class to 60 and 70-year-olds, and they're so fun. I understand what it takes for a heavy individual or an elderly, a special population, and the modifications that you have to do. I do think the thing that separates me as a trainer is, like I said, the creativity, bringing something new on the table, exploring different options with different people. I never give the same person the same workout. I mean, everybody has to adapt differently, and I don't believe that you have to hit a plateau. So my training, that muscle confusion that I talk about, just kind of keeps the muscles guessing. They never know what to expect. I throw them a curveball all the time. And, the motto that I personally like to live by and that I instill in others is you just got to move. It doesn't have to be with weights. It doesn't have to be with a specific type of program, but you got to move and you got to have fun while you're doing it. And if you can create a party or a fun atmosphere and get people moving to where they enjoy it, then that's a lifestyle change. And that's what you have to do to these people. They've got to create a lifestyle change. I don't believe in diets. I don't believe in quick fixes. What I instill in these people is you are doing this now, but it is for the lifetime. And if you do that, you're going to be successful. And I've gotten a lot of people that came into me for the first time ever working out that now are teaching group fitness because they found that passion deep within them and they saw how it changed their lives, and now they're changing other people's lives. So not only do I just stop at making them reach their goals, I help them achieve maybe a lifetime of doing what I do. And that's part of my job as an area promotions director, and that's part of my job as a Beachbody coach is let me teach you the love that I have. And I think every person that I come into contact with can see the love and passion that I have for fitness, and it's just wow, I'm here to make your day better. And I think I personally touch everyone that I come into contact with. And when they can see the love that I have, it spreads and it goes into their lives. And I really hope that I get this opportunity to work with you guys and work with these young people because it's an awesome group of kids. And what you're doing is fabulous. A worldwide epidemic is obesity, and kids are facing it harder and harder as the days go on. So this is a great opportunity. Thank you so much. I hope to see you soon. Bye.